Okay, I feel like almost like I'm confessing doing cannabis or something. I've never done drugs. Yeah, so I do 2 times leverage sometimes. Yeah, it's cheating. It gives me extra firepower. It's adding nitrous to the petrol tank. Okay, it's like adding triple shot cappuccino to my oat milk. Now, Microsoft, yes, okay, obviously. And by the way, if ever you want to know when and why I'm in it, it's a really simple algorithm that I have for Microsoft and the 2 M's and the 3 A's. Okay, if the short and medium, this is short and medium term prices. If the green is above the blue, I'm in. If the green is below, I'm usually out. But if the green is below the blue, the earliest I could ever get in is when it's just starting to rise. Okay, so simple algorithm. Don't try and copy the algorithm. You can just watch the broadcast. So back in to all of that from, in my case, edged in after my wife and son. They got in sooner because I got them in, when did I say? What are we now? July. So got them in May. But I came in later in June, okay, in little bits instead. Sorry, there's fly infestation. So where are we on NVIDIA? Okay, yes, wife and son, same issue, same as Microsoft. Here's a very good, again, take a photo of this on your camera. It's a very good tool for deciding whether you should be in or out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is based on regret minimization, which is a hell of a lot better than trying to predict the market. It's a way of ensuring you're always winning. What I mean by that is that you can't control what's going to happen with the markets, and you don't know what's going to happen with the markets. If you try and guess what's going to happen with the markets, you're gambling and you're guessing. So instead, it's far better to mitigate regret so that you're always winning. If you got out, as I did earlier in the year, and then got back in at a slightly higher price, I was still happy because I minimized regret, fear of falls. Equally, if I stayed in, as I did with Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan, then I'm equally happy because I minimize regret. Do you see what I mean? And that's a hell of a lot better way. Okay, if you're smart, you don't need leverage. If you're not, you shouldn't use it. Wise words. Yeah, maybe I'm not smart, but it's worked out fine for me at the moment, just adding a little bit of extra zip now and again.